Hey there! Ever heard of Broom Ready when selling your home? It's more than just a sweep. It's about leaving your place move-in ready for buyers. You've probably come across the term broom ready in your contract, but what exactly does it mean to leave your home in broom ready condition? Now, some people might think it's just about giving the floor a quick sweep and making sure there's no trash left behind. But it's more than that. Leaving your home in broom ready condition means leaving it in a state where your buyers can move right in without a hitch, just like you'd want to move into your new place. Imagine the frustration of moving into a new home that's not properly cleaned, and you're stuck spending hours cleaning before you can even start enjoying your new space. That's precisely what buyers are hoping to avoid. Now, you don't necessarily have to hire a professional cleaner for the job, though it's always an option. What's crucial is ensuring that your home is clean and tidy before you hand over the keys. You can even opt for an affordable cleaning package that includes the basics if you'd rather not do it yourself. But here's the thing, it's not just about cleaning, it's about leaving everything in its place, like the keys, garage openers, and manuals tucked neatly in the drawer. And don't forget about leaving the mailbox number, which can be a real help for your buyers. So in a nutshell, leaving your home in broom-ready condition means it's clean, tidy, and everything in it's in place. Just how do you want it when you step into your new place? Thanks for tuning in. If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and insights. And always remember, leaving your home in broom-ready condition can make a significant difference in the sale of your home. If you're ready to make your home broom-ready, contact me now to start the process.